Early this year, our lives and news changed too.
Have tested positive for the coronavirus disease. 3 are Kenyans, while 2 are foreign nationals.
CS Prophet Magoha made this phrase last week in Uasin Gishu.
To encourage all the teachers who are doing excellent work in schools to continue to do the same. That the times are different. COVID is here to stay.
I can't believe living like this forever. And
in which each member of the family, in good times and bad, may find strength, companionship, and comfort, and grow to maturity in love.
but we are missing some of these behaviors.
Marriage is a gift of God in creation through which husband and wife may know the grace of God. It is given as the foundation of family life in which children are nurtured